Alright, what's up y'all? Welcome back to my channel. It's Takaya. So, I just got off of work. I'm looking a little greasy. But today's video is going to be a ACV rinse on my 3-month-old baby Freeform locks. Right now it's up in a little headband. One could not make it. This one never stays in. It's like a little tail. But so yeah, that's why my appearance, you know, I'm gonna hop in the shower after this, so just don't mind it. I really haven't been caring lately. I don't know what it is, but I won't be looking crusty in all my videos, so please stay subscribed. I've gotten a few comments on people saying that it appears that my hair has buildup in it already. So I thought I would do this instead of being stubborn and be like, no, it's not buildup. I know my hair's not buildup. Why not just do it? And then I'm gonna show y'all, even after, I'm pretty sure after I do this, there's still gonna be light spots on some of my tips because I did lock my hair with my hair previously being colored. I had blue hair, like an electric blue hair, and to get that blue I had to bleach my hair. So underneath the blue was blonde, but when blue is on top of blonde, it fades into like a silver gray color. Like right now, the pieces that were once blue/silver are kind of green now because I put brown henna dye on top of it. So yeah, I wonder how that's gonna change it with doing this ACV rinse, but I'm pretty sure it's still gonna look the same. So I just want to give that a reference. They're coming along so good though. Can you see that? So yeah, a lot of people seen this in my videos and was saying that this is Buildup from shampoo, but I say that it's hair color. I can't believe I'm this close looking all crusty. I have no eyelashes. Never getting eyelash extensions again. Some water, it kind of went down the drain, so I'm just going to add some more water and maybe add a little bit more of everything. I might have just messed this whole thing up, but we'll see. I don't even think I'm really going to have buildup, to be honest. I don't know how long I'm supposed to do this for, but so far I'm not seeing any dirt. You mean to tell me I did this for no reason? I'm just gonna massage my scalp. This is a great angle. Hopefully I don't have any boogers. I feel like I don't even need to do it again. Maybe I should, since I messed up the mixture. As y'all can see, I don't know, does that look like a big difference of water? Maybe it is. I can't really tell. I have to go back and look. But from what I can remember, it's not that much darker. So I don't really think I had that much going on. But we'll do it again. I'm going to do it. I'm going to do it one more time. So this is what, if you can see that in the sink. I believe it's just a pink sea salt. Or it's not pink, but... So maybe it is a little dirty. I think that might be dirt mixed with just like undissolved sea salt. Okay, now looking at the water with redoing it with the exact, you know, measurements and stuff. I guess my hair maybe was dirty, or maybe me sprinkling extra messed up the whole thing. Alright, let's try this again. I don't know. Hopefully this video isn't a fail. Fail. This kind of feels cool. Even though it smells funny. Oh, it is heavy. Well, no difference really. So again, no dirt in the sink except for undissolved salt. So So yeah, as you can see, my hair is still green, still light all at the top. Yeah, this is my hair. As you can see, there's still light spots in my hair. There's still green in my hair. But what you can see from the water is that not that much dirt came out. So I had a feeling that my hair wasn't really going to have any dirt. I feel like it's too soon to have like serious buildup. It's only been 3 months and I don't know. I just feel like it wasn't gonna be much, but I wanted to do it just in case. So yeah, I just wanted to see and just to show y'all that it's just a hair dye. I need to get another box and touch it up because it doesn't look that good. I'm aware. I'm just lazy. So yeah, maybe I should do that soon and I could film it for y'all. So yeah, because the first time was a fail. It all deleted, so I guess I'm glad it faded again, so now I get to retry. So yeah, now that we got that out the way, I'm glad though that I did it and my hair got a nice deep clean anyways. It feels good, it looks good, it's nice and shiny now too. After doing that, my hair was pretty dry. So I put some coconut oil on my scalp and I used my little misting spray mixture. This is just regular water. I ran out of rose water, but this is just regular water with jojoba oil, and then I added tea tree this time for the smell goods. So yeah, other than that, I guess that's it for this video. I hope y'all, I don't know, I guess it's kind of boring because, you know, most vlog videos, it's like a big drastic results of like murky water. Mine wasn't that murky, but I guess I wanted to clear the anxiety that y'all gave me thinking that I had buildup in my locks already, but deep down I knew it wasn't. But you know, content, this is content. So make sure you like the video, make sure you subscribe for more lock updates, lock related videos. I also posted a mukbang the other day, so I really like that. I feel like I'm gonna do a couple more of those. And yeah, just subscribe to the channel, you know. I'm trying to get my consistency up there. We're growing more. I'm seeing the growth now and it's just got me like motivated. So yeah, if you want to stick around, make sure you subscribe to my channel. Follow me. All my social medias is gonna be in the description. And that's about it. So I'll see y'all in my next video. Bye. This is my hair after. Ooh, did that become with the trash? That's just the recycle. Whew. quiet or you're gonna get out. Look at my hang time. Look at my hang time. And I could put it in a bun. Y'all, my edges getting fuller. They getting fuller. I got my edges big. I got my edges big. And I could put it in a bun. I'm hungry and delusional.